The Tesla has just done what many thought was impossible, launching an electric car that not only challenges combustion models, but also completely redefines the concept of affordability in the automotive world. The Tesla Model Q arrives with an estimated price of $18,590, a figure so aggressive that it could change the game forever. Imagine driving a Tesla for less than the cost of a Toyota Corolla or a Honda Civic. This is not just news, it's a revolution. And if there's one thing Elon Musk knows how to do, it's turning the market upside down. The biggest barrier to electric vehicle adoption has always been price. Everyone wants a Tesla, but not everyone can afford one. The Model Q was designed to change that, making the most iconic EV brand accessible to a much larger audience. And here's the interesting part. It's not a cheap car in the traditional sense. It's an advanced vehicle packed with cutting-edge technology and impressive performance, yet priced so competitively that it puts any rival in trouble. This raises the inevitable question: how did Tesla manage to cut costs without compromising quality? The answer lies in a combination of innovation and strategy. Tesla has adopted a new manufacturing process that drastically reduces production costs. The company has also eliminated many intermediaries, meaning the consumer pays less while still receiving a high-end car. Additionally, the Model Q utilizes a new approach in body construction and battery design, maximizing efficiency without inflating costs. Every detail has been carefully planned to deliver the highest possible value at the lowest possible price. Now, think about it. An electric car that costs less than many popular gas-powered models. For those still doubting the end of gasoline engines, this launch might be the clearest sign that the transition has already begun. The Model Q is not just another EV competitor. It directly threatens conventional cars, which now seem outdated and expensive to maintain. With gas prices soaring and maintenance costs skyrocketing, the Model Q arrives with no exhaust pipe, no oil changes, and much lower charging costs. And it doesn't stop there. Besides being affordable, the Model Q promises a fun and engaging driving experience. With instant acceleration and refined handling, it delivers exactly what people expect from a Tesla, a futuristic sensation, as if driving something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Those who have never driven an electric car will be amazed by the absolute silence and immediate motor response. No gear shifting, no delays, just pure performance. And all of this without the premium price tag of luxury models. The impact of this launch on the market could be devastating for other automakers. Compact car manufacturers will have to scramble to lower their prices or offer features that justify the extra cost. After all, who would pay more for a gasoline car with high fuel and maintenance costs when a Tesla is available for less? This shift could accelerate the global electrification of vehicles and force traditional brands to reinvent themselves to stay competitive. If there's one thing Tesla does well, it's breaking conventions. And with the Model Q, the company has achieved something that seemed impossible, creating a compact, affordable car that is still surprisingly spacious. At first glance, it may seem too small, but once inside, there's more room than expected. Tesla pulled off this magic with an intelligent design, where every inch has been optimized to provide maximum comfort and practicality. The secret lies in its minimalist architecture. Without a combustion engine and without a transmission tunnel taking up space in the middle, Tesla managed to free up a generous area for passengers. The result? Even though it is shorter than the Model 3, the Model Q comfortably accommodates 4 adults. The efficiency in space utilization is so impressive that it competes with much larger cars in terms of comfort. But it's not just the interior that impresses. Tesla also innovated in exterior design, creating a car that fits perfectly into urban life. It is small enough to park easily in tight spaces, but not so compact that it compromises handling. The balance between size and functionality is one of the model's highlights, making it an ideal choice for those who need an agile vehicle for daily commuting. For those who like to carry luggage, groceries, or even sports equipment, the Model Q has another trick up its sleeve. In addition to the rear trunk, it features a frunk, the famous front trunk, where a traditional car's engine would be. It may seem like a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in everyday use. Imagine storing frequently used items in the front, while keeping the rear space reserved for larger loads. Practicality goes beyond just space. Tesla designed a functional interior layout, ensuring everything is within the driver's reach without complications. The dashboard is clean, with no excessive buttons, as the central screen controls all essential functions. This gives the car a modern and sophisticated look, while simplifying the driving experience. Instead of an overcrowded control panel, everything is accessible with just a few taps, making the cabin more organized and intuitive. Another interesting detail is the choice of materials for the finish. Despite being affordable, the Model Q doesn't feel like a cheap car. Tesla made sure to use sustainable and durable materials, ensuring the vehicle's interior has a premium look without increasing costs. The result is a comfortable cabin, resistant to wear and tear, with a touch of sophistication that many cars in the same price range simply don't offer. Tesla has never been the kind to follow trends. It creates them. And with the Model Q, the brand has accomplished something that few manufacturers have dared to attempt: building an affordable electric car without compromising efficiency. This was made possible through smart engineering that reduced weight, improved aerodynamics, and delivered impressive range for a model in this category. While competitors struggle to balance price and performance, Tesla has optimized both, creating a lightweight, durable, and incredibly efficient car. The choice of materials played a crucial role in this achievement. The Model Q was designed with a strategic combination of high-strength steel and aluminum alloys, ensuring durability without adding excessive weight. This not only improves safety, but also increases energy efficiency. A lighter car requires less energy to move, resulting in more miles per charge. And when it comes to range, the Model Q does not disappoint. With a refined aerodynamic design, the Model Q minimizes air resistance, making every trip more efficient. Small details, such as flush door handles and a specially designed underbody to reduce turbulence, make a significant difference in energy consumption. This meticulous work allowed the car to achieve an impressive aerodynamic coefficient, something typically found only in luxury models. The result? A range of over 300 miles per charge, surpassing rivals like the Nissan Leaf and Chevy Bolt EV. But efficiency is not limited to energy consumption. The Model Q's battery features lithium iron phosphate, LFP, technology, which is not only more affordable, but also offers a longer lifespan with minimal degradation over time. This means owners won't have to worry about significant drops in range, a common issue with older EVs. Additionally, Tesla has optimized charging, enabling ultra-fast supercharger recharges, dramatically reducing the time spent at charging stations. And if there's one thing Tesla excels at, it's performance. Despite being the brand's most affordable model, the Model Q does not disappoint when it comes to acceleration. Thanks to its reduced weight and instant torque from the electric motors, it achieves 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 6.5 to 7 seconds. For a car in this segment, that's impressive. More than just numbers, what truly stands out is the driving experience. The motor responds instantly to accelerator input, making driving agile and fun, whether in city streets or on highways. Another key feature is its low center of gravity, a hallmark of Tesla's EVs. Since the batteries are positioned in the car's floor, the weight is evenly distributed, enhancing stability in turns and reducing the risk of rollovers. This makes driving safer and more enjoyable without the excessive body roll found in some compact cars. This type of engineering is one of the reasons why Tesla stands out in handling, even in entry-level models like the Model Q. If there is one thing that sets Tesla apart from other automakers, it is its ability to turn cutting-edge technology into something accessible and practical. And the Model Q is no exception. Even as the cheapest Tesla ever produced, it comes with a robust technology package that puts many more expensive cars to shame. At the heart of this innovation is Autopilot, one of the most advanced driver assistance systems on the market, which comes standard on the Model Q. Autopilot is not just an adaptive cruise control system. It is a technology that anticipates movements and reacts to traffic in real time. It keeps the car within its lane, adjusts speed according to surrounding vehicles, and can even stop and start on its own in heavy traffic. For those who spend a lot of time driving, this is not just a bonus, it's a real game changer. And the best part? Unlike other electric vehicles in the same price range, which offer only basic assistance functions, the Model Q delivers a much more advanced system right from the start. Tesla's greatest advantage is that its cars do not become outdated over time. This is because the company pioneered over-the-air OTA updates, allowing the Model Q to receive improvements and new features without the driver ever needing to visit a dealership. It's as if the car is constantly evolving, always updated with the latest automotive technology. While other automakers require in-person visits for software adjustments, Tesla's simply update themselves overnight, like a next-generation smartphone. And doesn't stop there. Tesla has developed a computer vision system that uses multiple cameras and ultrasonic sensors to map everything around the car. This means the Model Q is always aware of its surroundings, preventing collisions, warning about dangers, and ensuring a level of safety that few compact cars can offer. While competitors like the Nissan Leaf and Chevy Bolt EV still rely on basic sensors, Tesla operates with a much more refined system, featuring artificial intelligence capable of detecting pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles in real time. Another major advantage of the Model Q is its ability to adapt to the driver. The system learns driving patterns, adjusts regenerative braking as needed, and even suggests changes in driving style to increase energy efficiency. This level of personalization makes every driving experience unique, making the car more intuitive and easy to drive, even for those who have never owned an electric vehicle before. And when it comes to safety, Tesla does not cut corners. The Model Q comes equipped with an advanced driver monitoring system, ensuring that the driver remains attentive even with autopilot activated. If the system detects that the driver is distracted or drowsy, it issues alerts and may even reduce speed if necessary. This technology might seem excessive to some, but it has already proven to be extremely effective in preventing accidents caused by inattentive driving. Tesla has never been just a car manufacturer. It is a technology company on wheels. And this is evident when looking at the entertainment and connectivity system in the Model Q. Despite being the most affordable model in Tesla's lineup, it comes equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system that redefines what to expect from a compact car. Forget the basic radios and tiny screens found in other budget EVs. The Model Q offers a premium experience without charging extra for it. At the center of the dashboard, a 10-inch touchscreen dominates the cabin, serving as the car's command hub. The driver controls everything from navigation to climate settings, including advanced functions such as battery monitoring and the 360-degree camera system. Everything is designed to be intuitive, with no excessive buttons, keeping the interior clean and futuristic. Tesla has already proven that large screens are a key feature of its brand, and even in the Model Q, this philosophy remains strong. But perhaps the most surprising detail is the inclusion of wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, something no other Tesla has. This is a bold move from the company, which has always resisted integrating these systems into its more expensive models. Now, in the Model Q, drivers can connect their smartphones instantly without the need for cables, accessing maps, music, and voice assistants with incredible fluidity. This puts the car ahead of even premium models that still require a wired connection for these functions. The in-car entertainment also does not disappoint. Like Tesla's more expensive models, the Model Q comes with built-in access to Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify, allowing passengers to watch movies, series, and listen to their favorite music directly on the car's screen. This makes a huge difference during waiting times, such as when charging the battery. While other EVs force drivers to sit idly while recharging, the Model Q transforms the car into a full-fledged entertainment hub. And it doesn't stop there. Tesla is famous for delivering unexpected software updates, and the Model Q will be no exception. Owners can expect new features over time, from interface adjustments to entirely new entertainment and connectivity functions. In previous models, Tesla has added video game support, new climate control modes, and even customizable car sounds. The Model Q is set to follow the same path, continuously evolving without requiring the owner to spend a single extra dollar. Another major strength of the infotainment system is its speed and fluidity. While many compact cars still struggle with slow screens and clunky interfaces, Tesla uses powerful processors to ensure everything runs smoothly. Touch response is immediate, animations are seamless, and the overall experience is polished, making interactions far more enjoyable. It's the kind of detail that only those who have suffered with sluggish in-car systems in traditional vehicles can truly appreciate. Tesla has always had a clear focus, making electric cars not only more accessible, but also smarter and more cost-effective over time. And the Model Q follows this philosophy to the letter. Besides being one of the most affordable EVs on the market, it also stands out for its low maintenance costs and sustainability, making ownership even more advantageous compared to combustion models. If the goal was to create a car that made sense both financially and environmentally, Tesla hit the mark perfectly. The first major cost savings come from fuel, or rather the lack of it. With an electric car, Model Q owners will never have to spend on gasoline or diesel again. And this isn't just a minor benefit, it's a game changer. Considering the average fuel prices, a typical driver could save between $1,000 and $1,500 per year just by avoiding gas stations. This is a direct impact on personal finances, making the Model Q even more competitive against combustion cars that, in addition to being more expensive up front, continue draining money over the years. And it's not just fuel savings where the Model Q excels. Like all electric cars, it requires almost no mechanical maintenance. Forget oil changes, belts, spark plugs, and clutches. None of these parts exist in the Model Q. This drastically reduces annual maintenance costs to just $300 to $400 per year, a fraction of the $1,200 to $1,500 that owners of gas-powered cars typically spend. The electric motor is extremely simple, with fewer than 20 moving parts, while a traditional engine can have over 2,000 components subject to wear and tear. Another factor that increases the Model Q's durability is its regenerative braking system, a technology that allows the car to recover energy whenever it slows down. This not only improves vehicle efficiency, but also extends the life of brake pads, which last much longer than in conventional cars. While a gas-powered car typically needs brake pad replacements every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, the Model Q can exceed 100,000 miles before needing new ones. Fewer trips to the repair shop, fewer unexpected expenses, and more peace of mind for the owner. And there's more. Tesla has developed highly durable batteries that can last between 300,000 and 500,000 miles before needing replacement. This means that most drivers will never have to change the battery for the entire lifespan of the vehicle. This has always been one of the biggest concerns for potential EV buyers. But Tesla has solved this issue once and for all. While some competitors still struggle with premature battery degradation, the Model Q stands out with its efficient thermal management system, keeping the battery at an optimal temperature and extending its longevity. If there's something that has always set Tesla apart from other automakers, it's its ability to reinvent how cars are built. And with the Model Q, the company took this philosophy to a whole new level. To offer a Tesla at such a low price without sacrificing quality, the company had to revolutionize its production line. The secret? They unboxed manufacturing, system, and giga-casting technology, two innovations that drastically reduced costs and increase production efficiency. Unlike traditional assembly lines, where cars are built in a linear sequence, the unboxed manufacturing process allows different parts of the Model Q to be assembled separately and only merged in the final stage. This might sound like just a technical detail, but it has a huge impact on production speed and costs. With this method, Tesla reduced factory space requirements by 40% and significantly sped up assembly, making the process much faster and cheaper. But the real game changer was the adoption of gigacasting, a revolutionary system that allows large sections of the car's body to be manufactured in a single piece, eliminating hundreds of smaller components. In the Model Q, this technology enables entire chassis parts to be molded in just a few minutes, instead of going through dozens of individual processes. The result? A cost reduction of up to 30% per vehicle, as well as a stronger and safer car. Another crucial aspect of this approach is automation. Tesla already operates some of the most automated factories in the world, and the Model Q takes this to another level. More than 70% of the production process is handled by robots, including welding, painting, and final assembly. And the star of this technological leap is Optimus Bot, Tesla's humanoid robot, which is already being tested to take over repetitive tasks inside factories. With this technology, Tesla reduces the need for human labor in strenuous jobs, improves precision, and maintains high-scale production without sacrificing quality. Additionally, Tesla has implemented smarter logistics within the factory. Instead of relying on massive conveyor belts and expensive transporters, the company has adopted a modular system, where different car parts move efficiently between sections. This not only reduces logistical costs, but also allows Tesla to adapt production based on demand, without needing to shut down the entire assembly line.